Hey everyone, real quick one. I'm making some chicken broth and cooking some chicken, so I thought I'd quickly show you how I like to break down a chicken. So we're going to take off the legs, separate them into legs and thighs. I'm going to take off the wings, and we're going to take off the breasts, and we'll leave the carcass for our broth. So the first thing you do, sharp knife. So you want to kind of spread the legs apart, and you see this little bit of floppy skin there. You want to give that a little slit on both sides. Okay? And then after that, you should very easily be able to just pick up the chicken and kind of turn the legs inside out until these bones pop out here. You see that? And then what you want to do is flip it over onto its belly. And then there's a little chunk of meat right here called the oyster, which is, at the end of the thigh and right against the backbone. You want to make sure that you get that, okay? So you go in with the sharp knife, and you want to kind of make sure you get under that oyster. Okay? Right? And then you can just go right in between the joint of that bone that you just popped out. All right, same thing on this side. We're just going to get in there nice and close to that backbone so that we get the oyster. Okay, and there we got our legs. All right, so now the next step, we're going to get our wings off. So the way I like to do this, I like to do it before I take the breast off the carcass, because the gravity of, the weight of the chicken breast is going to help you. So you grab the wing, lift it up like this, get your knife here, and with your knife pressed against the bone, just kind of turn the chicken all the way around, so that way you separate all of the tendons and all of the meat from the wing to the breast. And then we're going to take it, and you want to bend it backwards, so the way the joint's not supposed to go, and it should just pop right off like that. And you can clean it up a little if you need to. All right, so again, you pick it up by the wingtip, you rotate it around like that, okay? And then you bend it backwards and pull. All right, so we got our wings here. We got our legs. And now at this point, we want to kind of feel for where that joint articulation is, right? So it's like right there. And you want to get your knife into that joint, and it should be able to slice right through. So you get your thighs separated from your drumsticks. Again, just kind of feel around, and it's right here where my thumb is. So we'll get our knife right through there, goes right through. Real easy. And then finally, we're going to take our breast and wings off. So this is much easier if you take the wishbone out first, okay? So what you want to do is go into the neck, lift up the skin there a little bit, and then just using the tip of your knife, feel for the bone. It's the bone that's shaped like this, like on a Y-shaped bone that goes up this side and that side. With the tip of your knife, you want to cut down both sides of that bone. Okay, so on the outside and then on the inside. Just like that, okay? And then you should be able to get your finger behind it like that and just kind of pull it out. It should come right off. And then that's going to make it much easier to then get the actual chicken breast off. So the sternum of the chicken here, we want to go down one side of it with the tip of our knife, okay? And you really want to keep the knife kind of hugging that cartilage. Not a lot of pressure. In fact, a lot of times you can just do this with your finger. You can just kind of push the chicken meat off the bone with your finger. You don't even really need to use your knife once you get it started like that. And then once you get down to this bit, you're going to find where that wing joint meets the carcass there. And so we want to cut in between there. Same as we did for the legs, right? And there's we would call that like an airline chicken breast. So a chicken breast with the bone attached to it. I'm going to do the same thing here. So on the other side, you can get it started. And then after that, you can kind of just use your thumb to get that breast off the bone. And again, we're going to locate that joint on this side. Okay. We'll give it a little cut through. And then it should all just come off very easily. All right, so we got, tenderloin fell off there, that's okay. We got a couple chicken breasts with the wing joint attached. We got 2 drumsticks. We got 2 bone-in thighs. We got 2 wing tips. And then we got our carcass for making stock. And that's how you break down a chicken. All right, bye. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Head over to KenjiLópez-Alt.com. There you can find links to join my Patreon. There's various tiers with different perks, but that's where you're going to find all of my printed recipes. Most of them are for free. You'll also get access to special perks like new product releases, early access to things, live streams, AMAs. At KenjiLópez-Alt.com, you'll also find my shop where you'll find all of my books. You can get them signed and personalized, shipped anywhere in the world, as well as my products and product collaborations. You'll also find live event listings there. I do live events sometimes. And I'd love to see you come by. All right, see you later.